Bon, kita na Bon.
Sir, yes po.
Yeah. Please do not follow the moves of number here. I think this is number 24.
Sir, hindi po. 23 po.
23 lang to. Okay. Ito yung old number modules kasi. Binago nila eh. Okay, may nag-join na sila eh. I-admit ko na sana. Wala. Okay. So, nasa correlation coefficient na tayo. Another formula to memorize. Pwede na rin kanya yan. Memorize. Objectives. Define correlation and calculate the PCC. Parsons correlation coefficient. What is correlation? Correlation is the measure of relation or association between two variables. Kung yung analysis of variance is 3, no? Ito naman is two variables, pero different way on how to get the answer. Analysis of correlation is a method of measuring the strength of such relationship between two variables. Again, correlation, relasyon ng dalawang variables, and there is a corresponding analysis analysis of that certain two variables, parang strong, positive, negative. So, mamaya makikita ninyo kung ano yung mga measuring the strength. No? So, may weakness, ganyan. May strong, ganyan. We have here the Parsons correlation coefficient. R is the symbol for Parson. PCC. R is an index of relationship between two variables. So, yun na naman yung kanyang terminologies diyan. Dalawa lang yung variable natin, which is x and y. And there is a corresponding category on how is it the strength or the weaknesses of the two variables. And this is the formula. Here po, R is denoted by PCC. R is equivalent to N is the number or the sample size. Depende yan sa ibibigay doon sa table or problem. Then this is our sigma, summation of x, y minus the summation of x, summation of y, all over the square root. Square root po is nasa denominator lang. And your n is close or the bracket, open bracket, and summation of x squared minus summation of x, quantity summation of x squared, then close bracket, and then open ulit, then another n, summation of y squared minus y, summation of quantity, quantity summation of y, tapos squared. Magkaiba po ang summation of y squared sa quantity summation of y squared, ha? And here are R is, yan po yung PCC, N is the sample size. Of course, summation, summation, summation. Yan lang naman po yung formula na kailangan nyo i-memorize. So, here are the interpretations of a degree. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kunyari, may sagot na tayo ng 1. Positive or negative 1. That is a perfect positive if it is positive. Negative naman if it is negative. Perfect sila pag 1 yung sagot ninyo. Most of the time, ito yung mga sagot. Very high positive correlation. So, all you need to do is to memorize kasi sa CPE, wala tayo, hindi open ang ating mga formula. Okay, bawal tayo mag-open ng formula when it comes to CPE. So, there is an interval here. So, you need to memorize all of this. But if ever may question doon, so swerte na lang kung walang tanong na interpretation about the getting of PCC. Yeah, so, let's solve this. Madali lang naman yung solving niya, no? Parang parehas lang naman doon sa ating previous lesson. So all you need to do is get the x squared of 75. And what is the x squared of 75? Please calculate number 1, 75 is. 75 squared is. Open your mic po or you
Sir,
can. Yes, Luis.
Sir, 5,625.
5,625. You can utilize our chat box. How about number 2? 84,900. Next, number 3, 4225. Next, number 4, 8,100. Next is 85. 85 po, 85. 7225. Next is 85 po. Ulitin lang yung 87225. And 80 is, I think that is 64,6400. 70 is 4900. How about 65? Naulit na to, 4225. Nandun, no? Next is 90. Naulit na at 8100. How about 80? Naulit na yan. That is 6400. 75 po. What is 75? 75 is, yun, naulit na pala. 5, 6, 2, 5. 65, 4225. Naulit na rin. 4225. How about 95? 95 po. 95 squared is 9025. Next is 90, 8100. How about 85? Parehas, 7225. 90, 8100. 75. What is 75? 5625. 70 is 4900. 90 is 8100. Ngayon, get the summation. Ay, sa XY pala tayo. What is 75 times 80? Is, so,
Sir, 6,000 po.
okay. Bon, double check mo nga yung ano, yung 75 squared. What is 75 squared? 75 squared.
Okay po. Sir, tama po. 75 times 75, 5,625 po.
Okay, dito naman, 70 times 75. 5 to 50. 5 to 50. 65, 65. Okay, 65, 65 po. Oh, yun. 4225, di ba? Kasi square. Next, 1995. Kita ko na yung sagot. 8550. Yung 8590. 7650. Yung 8585, parehas lang. 7225. Yung 8090, what is 8090?
7,200 po.
How about 7075?
5,250 po. Same po.
6570. 4550. Tapos nakita ko na yung last. Compute nyo na yung summation of x, summation ng y, summation ng x squared. What is summation of x? I-chat nyo na. Nakita ko na 775. How about yung y? What is the summation of y? 815. How about summation of x squared? 60, 6925. 6925. How about summation of y squared? 67,325. 67,325. How about summation of xy?
64.
64,000. 1, 2, 3. Next, compute na natin yung R natin. So we we have n. What is how many sample size? It's 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 for the sample size. So let's put 10 here, 10. Tapos summation of xy. Summation of xy is 64,000. Ito po, summation of xy 64,000. 64,000, then minus the summation of your x is 775,775. Then summation of your y is 815. Then square root. Then another 10. Yung 10 natin is n. Then ito na po, yung summation of x squared is 6925. 6925. Tapos, minus tayo sa summation of x. Summation of x is 77775 squared kasi may squared po tayo doon. So, yan po yung magkasama. Tapos, n is another 10. And this is summation of y squared, 67,325. 67,325. 67,325. Then close minus kasi may minus po tayo doon. Tapos summation of y 815. Tapos may squared ulit. Tapos close natin. Yan. So what is the value of r? 3 decimal places po. Can you give me 3 decimal places? Compute po. 3 decimal places po.
So, wait lang po, nagka-calculate.
Go, go, go po. Please drop. Type your answer in chat box. Sabi ni Glyza, 949. Please verify if it is correct. 0.949. Tama ba? Kung ang 0.949 is between 91 and 0.99, so the interpretation is very high positive. This is very high positive correlation. Yeah, so that is the answer in number 1. So just follow the format of this numbers, numerator and denominator, then you can solve it directly using your advanced calculator. Pwede nyo siyang imano-mano kung hindi kaya ng calculator. No? Pero pag mano-mano yan, matagal. Numerator ka muna, tapos kung ano yung sa numerator, sulat mo. And then sa baba, susulat mo ulit. So isa-isahin mo pa. Pero pag advance yung calculator mo dyan, direct solving ka na, type mo lang sa calculator mo kung ano yung format sa ating solving here in PPT. Ganun lang din ang i-type mo sa calculator, lalabas na yung 0.949. Okay? Simple as that if you have advanced calculator. Hindi click the heart reaction if you don't have questions na regarding number 1. Naiintindihan na ba yung number 1 po? Alright. So this is for number 1. Okay, let's solve another problem. So ganito lang naman yung day number 23. Kanya na, bibigyan kayo ng table. So solve kayo. So what is 38 squared, guys? 38 squared is 1444. 1444. 1444. 1444. How about 44? What is 44 po? 19. 36, 19, 36. How about 51? 2601. Advance kayo ah. 32. 32, 10, 24. 51, 2601. 77. 77, 5929. Okay, 5929. 32. 32, 1024. Okay, sige. 10. Oo nga pala, dito rin 32. 1024. How about 135? 18225. Sabi ni Glyza. 18225. 140. 140. 19,600. How about 37? 137. 18,760. What is 137? 18,769. So 18,769. 141. 141 is 19,881. Yan, nakita ko na. 19,881. How about 147? 21,609. 21,609. 145. 21,609. Ah, tapos na. How about 145? 21,025. 21,025. 21,025. Next po. 132. 17 for 17 for 17,424. 149 po. 17,424. 17,424. 20. Tapos 149 is 17, 22022. 22201. 22201. 164. 164, 26,896. 26,896. How about 130? 16,900. 1,009. XY, 38 times 35. 38 times 135 is 5,130. 5,130. Next, 38 times 140. Type 320. Next is 38, 137. 5,206. 44 times 141. 6,204. 6,204. 44, 147. 44, 6468. 6468. Next is 51 times 145. 7395. 73. How about 32 times 132? 32 times 132. 32 of 132 is oh 1,000 submission po ng excess advance 17,424. What is 32 times 132? 77 7748. 32 times 132. What is 32 times 132, guys? 4224. Okay, 4224. Yung 51 times 149, 7599. 7599. 77 164. 77 164. 12, 6 to 8. 12, 6 to 8. 12, 6 to 8. Yung 32. Last na last. 4, 160. 4, 160. So, yun yung sumagot ng summation of x. Summation of x is 4, 160. What is the summation of x? 4, 4, 5. Summation of y. What is the summation of y? 1420. 14. Summation of x squared. Summation of x squared. Add. 21,383. 21,383. Y squared naman. Summation ng y squared. 202, 600, 202, 202, 610. Please verify if it is correct. Is it 202, 610? I-double check po.
Sir, wait lang po.
Sige. Is it 22,000, 202,610 for our y squared? Tama po ba, guys? Double check. Irish, ano nakuha mo dyan? Alex. Tama ba? Ba't iba-iba kayo? 6,4? Ayan. Saan ko ilalagay 6,434? Dito sa kabila. 6,4, 6,433,4. Yung summation of y squared nga. Tama ba yan? 202, 610. Please double check. 202, 530. Oh, bakit? Iba-iba kayo naman binibigay. Anong susundan natin? 202, 610 o 202, 530? 202, 530 daw. Okay.
200 to 530 din po.
Alright, so we already have all the summation of columns. So we are ready now to substitute all the numbers here in our PCC. Our R here is, again, what is the value of our N? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So another 10 ulit. 10 tayo. Tapos summation of XY, 64,334. 64,334. Minus the summation of your X is 445. 445. Summation of your Y, 1,420. Tapos meron tayong square root sa baba. Another 10. Open bracket 10. Tapos summation of X squared is 202. 202, 530 minus the summation of your X is 445. 445 squared daw. Tapos close natin. Open ulit. 10. Summation of your Y squared is 202. Ay, summation of X squared, sorry. Summation of X squared is 21. It should be 21,383 because the formula here is summation of your X squared. The summation of X squared here is 21,383. That's why I changed it into 21,383. Then 202 ko dito sa ating summation of Y squared, 530. Meron tayong minus doon, no? Which is summation of your Y, which is 1,420. 1,420 squared closed. What is the answer? 3 decimal places. Interpretation na rin.
Sir, pausog nga po onti sa kanan.
Ano?
Pausog po ng onti sa kanan, sir.
Pausog ng konti sa
ay pa kanan po.
Pakanan. Wala. Ganyan na yan. Hindi ko mausog yan. Naka full screen na yan. Bakit? Hindi mo ba makita on your end?
So, dito okay naman po.
Baka naka-phone ka. Huwag di. I-full screen mo ha. Ikaw yung mag-full screen. Naka-full screen na yung sa akin eh.
Ay sir, naka-zoom pala sa akin. Sorry po.
Oh,
Sorry.
naka-zoom. I-ano mo lang yan. So, ganyan lang siya kasimple, no? Yung formula nga lang mahaba. Kailangan natin i-memorize. May tanong ba? Check ko may nag-message. So, sabi ni Glyza and Iris is 9.65. So, may sagot na pala. Di ko nakita. So, 9.65. And the interpretation is very high. Positive correlation. That's it. Simple as that. So may tanong pa po ba? Kung wala na, heart reaction po tayo. Heart po, heart. Ayan. Diba? Simpleng-simple lang ang ating last lesson. Lang lalo yung pinaka-last is, the last is, para kayang nagme-memorize lang dito sa 24 kasi it is a correlation analysis. Parang ganun lang din sa interpretation siya. Pero, yun lang po yung ang mangyayari dito is you need to memorize all the interval between pag negative 1 kasi it's a perfect negative correlation, strong negative correlation. So ganyan lang po yung number 24. Same goes with this one. Yan yung interpretation niya. Yan, ito yung magiging possible answers sa lahat ng example ng columns na to. Kapag 0.16 is weak positive correlation, 0.16. So, yung 0.16 is nandito sa positive correlation. So, nandito siya. Yung 0.26 is nandito siya. Yan, nandito po siya. So, still weak. Weak positive pa rin. Yung negative 0.28. So, 0.028. The answer here is weak negative correlation. Yan po. Nandito siya sa part na to. So, that's why weak negative correlation. So, itong strong negative correlation. Yes. Tapos, yung strong negative correlation, strong po siya kasi negative siya and 0.8 yung starting niya. Pero negative. No correlation kapit 0. Ito po. No correlation kasi 0. Next is one, it is a perfect positive siya according to the interval. This is the interval po. Nasa module nyo to. Pinapakita ko lang kung bakit ganun yung sagot. So, 0.78 is strong negative pa rin. Kasi nandito siya, oh. Ito, sa pagitan ng strong at ng perfect. So, nandito pa rin siya sa strong positive correlation. Another strong kasi 0.98 is approximately located at 0.75 between 0.75 and 1. Strong positive pa rin. So, perfect siya pero negative siya. Kasi negative 1 yung ating given. Dito naman is weak negative kasi 0.01 is located at the between weak 0.25 and 0. So, weak negative correlation is correct. And for this, 0.68 is strong positive kasi yung 0.68 po is nandito po sa strong positive. Strong positive, strong positive. Strong positive correlation 0.68. May tanong po ba sa module number 24? All you need to do is to memorize the interval just like this. Ito lang. Yun lang talaga yung technique dyan. I-familiarize yourselves doon sa, pero magkaiba ang 23. Magkaiba ang 23. This is 23. Ito yung interpretation ng 23. Meron siyang perfect, very high, high, moderately. Pero dito sa 24 naman, magkaiba kasi strong, weak yung ginamit. Yes, Luis Bon.
Wala po. Hindi ako yun.
Okay na. Okay. So, that's all for, this is our last lessons na itong dalawa to, ito yung dalawa na last.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, pabalik po sa module 24
Nasa modules nyo na to.
para
Kinuha ko
makita
lang doon.
para makita ko lang po yung module 24 po.
Mm-mm.
Kasi ang bilis po kanina po.
Basta ito yung basehan na dito. Yes.
Sir, ano po, nag-e-error po yung sa ano na, pag kinukuha po namin yung sa R, nag-e-error po yung sagot namin.
Ah, okay. Dito ba? Yeah. Wait lang. Saan na yun? Turuan ko kayo paano po yan. Sabayan niyo ako. Fraction. Kikita na ba yung aking calculator, guys?
Yes po.
Okay, fraction. 10. Open. 64. 334. Minus. Open. 445. Close. Open. 1420. Nasundan ba yun? Hello? Sundan? Okay, next. Open. 10. Open. 21,383. Close minus open. 445. Open. Close. Open. Tapos, meron tayong 10. Sorry, mali yung pinag-close ko dito. Yan, dapat ganyan. Right. Squared yan eh. O, tama pala. Sakop niya. Open, close. Close, open 10. Tapos, open ulit 202. 202, 530 close. Minus open 1420. Close, squared. Squared tapos close natin. Check natin kung tama labas. The answer in my calculator is 0.965, which is correct. Tama naman yung sagot nila.
Sir, sa akin po minsan nag-error din po.
Kasi mali yung pinagtatype ninyo. Pag nag-error siya, mali yung typings. Mali yung mga nilagay yung symbols, numbers, ganyan. So, yan po. So, may video lessons naman. Ito na yun. Okay na po ba? May tanong pa po?
Wala naman po.
Wala na. Okay, yan lang po ang ating pinaka-last lessons. Ibig sabihin, this is our last online session. And I hope you learn a lot from me in our subject COR 006. So, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys.
Okay po. Bye, Sir Bohol.
Okay, bye-bye.
Ingat po, Kite po. Ingat po. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.